So basically, we're going to go back to the thank you page, right? And this time we are not going to choose the printable download. We're going to choose the digital planner download. So all you got to do, boop, click that, and then you'll see this notebook open up. Now, for me, I use GoodNotes. There's a lot of options around digital planning apps that you can use. I really like GoodNotes. I design for GoodNotes. Everything that is available in GoodNotes, especially now that they've upgraded to GoodNotes 5, a lot of great features there. So basically, what you're going to do is you have the PDF open. Then what you're going to do is click the share button, which is that little box with the arrow sticking out of it. And then if you have GoodNotes installed, or maybe you have whatever your note-taking software is, if you scroll through, you'll see that you can copy for GoodNotes. Now, you'll notice there's a couple of versions of GoodNotes. This is GoodNotes 4 with the straight lines. The one with the little squiggly lines is GoodNotes 5. So I'm just going to copy to GoodNotes 5, right? And then hit import. And then there you have it. It's right here downloaded. I kind of just pinched it so that it can fit the screen. But if you tap it, you'll see that these sheets are downloaded to your planner. And then what you're going to do is scroll with your one finger, and you can scroll through each of the pages back and forth, right? Now, let's start planning. This is where the fun begins, because I'm going to actually show you how to use GoodNotes to plan your 2019.